Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Cookz Fusion. Today we will share the recipe of vanilla cake without using oven with the help of Pillsbury Moist Supreme white cake mix. Ingredients which we require for making Pillsbury Moist Supreme white cake mix: salt for baking, 3 eggs, 1 cup water, half cup oil. Now first we will break eggs into a bowl. And then add oil and water and beat for 1 minute on medium speed. Now add cake mix to bowl and mix up and down with beater. Beat for 1 minute on medium speed. Now take the butter paper and cut into proper shape to fit in pan or mold. Grease the pan or mold with some oil and place butter paper on it and grease the butter paper with some oil. I am baking cake in 2 batches by dividing the batter into 2 equal halves and pour half of the batter into pan or mold and tap the pan or mold slowly and carefully to spread. Take the cooker without whistle, rubber and add salt to it. Add 1 stand in cooker. According to size of cooker, close the lid for 5 minutes to make cooker preheated. After 5 minutes, open the cooker and place the pan or mold in cooker. After 15 minutes, open the cooker and check the cake with fork. If fork is coming clean, then cake is ready. If it is not coming clean, then again it should be baked for 2 to 5 minutes. Cake is baked. Remove the pan or mold carefully and let it cool for 10 minutes. Then remove the butter paper. And cover it with a cloth. After 30 minutes, cut the cake into pieces and serve. Cake is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.